What's going on, guys? Pictures by Schoolboy here, and welcome back to yet another video. Today's video is another behind the scenes of a shoot that we did a couple of weeks ago, and in this video I'm going to show you guys the lighting setups, how I shot these beautiful pictures and everything. So if that is something you are interested in, make sure you stick around till the end of this video. Let's get it. Now, this entire photo shoot, the concept was sent over by the model. As you can see from the video, she was the one who discovered the concept, and then she spoke to the makeup artist and myself, and we decided to do this together. So the makeup was done by amzn.to. If you've been watching this channel for a while now, you might know her from my previous videos because we've been shooting a couple of content together for some months now. So if you've been watching the channel for some time now, I think you might know her. So she was the one who did the makeup, and also the model herself. She came up with the concept and everything, and with the makeup I think she did an amazing job, because the way the model envisioned the makeup and everything, I think that was exactly how she did it, according to the concept that we were taking inspiration from. So yeah, that is how come we came about this entire photo shoot. And with the lighting setup, I think I shot two lights, the main light being my Godox AD600, no, my Godox AD200. I don't have an AD600 yet, my Godox AD200, and the backlight was my Godox I think SK300 Mark II or SK400 Mark II. Yeah, so that was the two light setup that I used. Now with the backlight, you can see that I diffused it with a cone. The reason why I used a cone to diffuse the backlight was because I wanted a very strong sense of backlight hitting the hair and the shoulders as well, separating hair from the background. That is why I used a cone for the to diffuse the backlight. And with the main light too, I think I used my 85cm Godox softbox, the old one that is very difficult to assemble. Yeah, that was the one that I used. And yeah, it was basically just two light setup. I think along the line I introduced a reflector, and I also changed the background to see if I was going to get different results, just to experiment and see. So yeah, that was how everything came about. And of course, the camera that I shot with was my Canon 6D with the 85mm f1.8. so yeah, that is the combo that I used to shoot this entire photo shoot. I hope you like the pictures, because I do. I really love how it turned out. Everything was great. So I really hope you also like how the pictures turned out. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. And also, 90% of you guys watching the videos haven't subscribed to the channel yet. So if you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you go down there, smash the like button, and also subscribe to the channel for amazing content like this. Let's get right into the video and enjoy some beautiful pictures. See you guys. Peace out.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit. A stupid myth, you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer.
What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Are you listening? Damn.